Hello there, my name's Ian. I'm one of the founders of Show Me Do. So in this series we're going to be looking at reading and writing files in Python. It's a short series, just 4 episodes. We're going to look at reading files in and then reading and writing text files and then manipulating a binary file followed by pickling the data so you can serialize it for storage in between your sessions. If you've been following my other series, then you'll see that this time I'm recording in a different way. I'm using a MacBook rather than Windows, and I'm using the camera here as well. So give me some feedback, let me know if this camera works. Do you like the addition of scenery? Does it help with the educational process? Just to give you a quick tour of what's going to be covered. In the first episode, we look at reading in a text file. And as always, the supporting Python files are linked below the videos. If you're a club member or not, you can still access the Python support files. So this here is a file that lets us read in a text file and show it on the screen. It's just like the more command line utility. In text files too, we build upon the first episode. We read in the same file. We query the user for the ages of the people that we've read in, and then we write out a new text file with those ages inside them. So you're getting reading and writing of files. In the third episode, we look at binary file handling. Because there's so much to do with binary files, I give you some examples on the web, and then down here we just work with the Python imaging library to load in an image and then manipulate it and write out the image. JPEG, so it's a binary file. Finally, in the using pickle example, we look at serializing data. So Java was the first language that really introduced the idea of serialization in a big way to many people. With serializing, you can build up a complex data structure. Here we just have a dictionary as the simplest example, and then serialize it to disk, and there are a couple of ways of doing that with the pickle module, so I'll walk you through those. And then we unpickle the object, so you could be unpickling it in a separate session or a separate file. And then exactly the same data structure comes back into memory, so you can serialize the disk, turn your machine off, turn it back on, unserialize in a different process entirely, and the same data comes back in. It's a fabulous way of storing your data, storing your state in between different sessions and sharing the state without having to use a database. So that's the end of this introduction. I hope this series is good for you. It builds upon many of the previous episodes in Show Me Do, which are aimed at Python beginners, so it assumes that you know things like for loops and variables. Okay, good luck, and as always, let me know at the end whether you liked the series, and please give me some feedback. Does the video feedback, having me and the camera there, does that help? Okay, thanks and good luck with it.